we've looked at just a general overview of what the Rogerian argument is, and now I kind of want to walk you through the outline assignment just to kind of help you go through the process and make sure that you're comfortable with it and clear. So in the course you'll find the link for the outline, and what I want you to do is work your way through it. You'll put your name as the author and the title of your essay, and then the first step is to introduce the topic. And remember, we said that we're going to state it as a problem rather than an issue. So you want this to be a problem that you want to resolve, that you want to find some kind of positive resolution to. And then that's the next 2 and 3 steps. You explain the type of positive change that you'd like to see happen, and explain why your opponents would like to see this same problem be resolved as well. So what is it that they're going to get from resolving? Step 2 is the summary of opposing views. So explain the most important reason people disagree with your point of view. What is it that your opposition is against? And include a quote or paraphrase from one of your sources that disagrees with your point of view. Write a sentence of commentary to help your reader understand this point of view, and then write another sentence of commentary to help your reader understand this point of view. Write a sentence using a quote or paraphrase from one of your sources that disagrees with your point of view. Write a sentence. So you just repeat this, and you do it at least 2 or 3 times. Section 3 is statements of understanding and validity of opposing view. So you're going to do the same process again. Write a topic sentence using a concept word from the final sentence of the previous paragraphs in a different way. And then write a sentence in which you explain how the opposing arguments might be valid. Then 2 or 3 sentences of a commentary in which you explain how the opposing side has some valid points. And then write a sentence in which you explain how under certain circumstances, and explain what those circumstances are, you might be able to share that same position. Then step 4 is the statement of your position. So again, you're going to write a topic sentence in which you state your point of view. Write a sentence in which you use a quote or paraphrase from one of your sources which supports your point of view. Write a sentence or 2 of commentary. Write another sentence in which you use a quote or a paraphrase which supports your point of view. And write another 2 sentences of commentary. And write a concluding sentence. And again, you will repeat step 4 for as many times as you need to. You might have 2 or 3 paragraphs written under step 4. Step 5 is statement of context of your position. So in your topic sentence, you're going to explain how your point of view is valid and has merit. This is why you're correct. This is why looking at it from your position is correct. And in a few sentences, describe the situations in which your point of view has merit. So your point of view is merit because you're looking at it in this context and under these circumstances. And then in 6, statement of benefit of consensus. And this is a key element. And this is the beginning of your conclusion. It should present a balanced and concise summation of the most compelling points for each argument. So a few sentences about each position. Then you're going to write a closing paragraph which presents the middle ground position. So in other words, this is your conclusion is going to draw the pieces together and show where the common ground is and how you can work together. You always want to end your Rogerian argument on a hopeful note, a positive note. So talk about the ways in which you can come together. So this is a great outline. When you go through this assignment, you really need to, what I expect you to do is to write these sentences out. And if you do that, then most of your essay will be done. If you just go through this step by step. Again, if you have any questions, concerns, or issues, send or post them in the I Have a Question forum, or by all means, email me. Talk to you again soon.